Hey guys, this is Kristianne back from Kristianne's Crafty Adventures. I have a haul video from scrapbook.com. I ordered from during their National Scrapbook Day time when they had sales, and this is what I got, and it arrived really quick. So I'm going to start with the freebie that they had. So this is a freebie that they had. It's a hello die. So it cuts the center and it cuts like the shadow of it. I'm excited to use this because this works for everything, and the font is super cute right there. And then this one is another free stamp. I'm not really liking it so much, but I'll take it. It's free and it has 2019 on it, so I think I can use that. Next, this is the reason why I really ordered. I am in love with Doodlebug designs. In love with it. It's my first love in all the scrapbooking companies. It's my first love ever. So I've been following them since year 2000. But now they have stamps, and it is amazing. Look how pretty. The stamps coordinate perfectly with their collections. Oh my gosh. I am very excited about this. So this is called Flower Girl, and it coordinates perfectly with the Simply Spring collection. So I got the Simply Spring collection, but I got this one. This is like a girly stamp. So cute. It has thanks a bunch, thinking of you, birthday girl, happy spring, congrats, I love you bunch. And this girl is so cute. And look at that flower pot and that truck. Oh my gosh. How cute. I'm very excited to use this. And then they have a boy version. I already tried the sun, as you can see. As soon as it got here, so it's all messed up. But this is what it looks like. How cute. I haven't put the blush yet, but this one I just stamped on watercolor paper using, I think, what did I use? I used, oh, the VersaFine, yeah. I used the VersaFine collection on watercolor paper, Tim Holtz watercolor paper, and then I used the Prima watercolor, and then that's it. So I need to practice a little bit more on my watercoloring, and I just fussy cut it. I didn't get the die. So I'm going to practice on that. But this is what the stamp looks like, guys. So cute. Look at that butterfly. Oh my gosh. And the bug, the ladybug, the bird, the turtle. Come on. How cute. I mean, who can say no to that snail right there? And look at that ant. Goodness. Oh my gosh. So yes. Oh my god. So pretty. Okay, so I got that. And then I got the odds and ends. How pretty. Okay, it has 101 pieces. I'm going to show you what it has inside. Oops, sorry. I think I moved the camera. Sorry about the glare, but it has so much cuteness in one package. Look how cute is that house. And I have two sons. And then I can copy the colors of the animals, like the butterfly can color. I can copy it and then copy how they colored everything. Because this matches with this and this. Oh my gosh. So that's amazing. Next one in this collection that I got is the mini icon stickers. Sorry. Right there. So you get 2 sheets. Perfect for planners and calendars. So this is perfect. I use this for mini embellishment, for my own like DIY embellishments, because it's so tiny. It's perfect for your own like page flags or anything. I used this mini icon stickers like for this scrapbook. Like I cut the cloud. I put this on a paper and then I fussy cut it and I added it to that. So that's why I like getting the mini icons, is because I can decorate. It's tiny. Because you can't do that with this large one. So I use that with that. I think it's absolutely adorable. Anyway, so that's what I use with that. This is this page. I'm sorry, this video is getting long. I think you should pause it and get some coffee. So cute. So yes, I'm going to put this on like 80-pound Nina Solar White. Fussy cut it and put foam dots. That's my favorite technique for these. And then you make your own tiny odds and ends. Your own dimensional stickers. How cute this kid is holding a kite. How perfect. Look at that ant. Oh my gosh, I keep on bumping into the camera, sorry. A purple ant. How adorable. So yes, so that's this one. Next one, I got the 6x6 paper pad. So I'm going to go through there. And this is the back part. Oh my god, how cute is that to cut up? Oh my god. I cannot. It's so cute, seriously. It's going to take me forever, isn't it? These are tiny little bumblebee. I'm going to go a little bit faster because this video is going to take forever if I do not. So cute. It's just super cute. Purple gingham. I'm not sure, it's not focusing. Yeah. And the sun. Adorable. So cute. Oh my gosh. Clouds. The classic Doodlebug flowers. These are frogs. Cute, right? And this is the last page, and then it repeats. Cute. So I got one of that. Okay. And then this one, I think this comes from the summer collection from last year. Boombox. It's a boombox doodle pop. I think I got this because I wanted to make like a 3D container copying this one. So we'll see what we have. Next, I got the Essentials kit. So the Essentials kit has these stickers. Let me open it up for you guys. Sorry about the crinkling. But this kit has some papers, doodle pop, some brads, some letters. So it's kind of limited when it comes to how much paper it has. So that's why I got the collection as well. So it has the chunky brads, the doodle pop. Oh my god, that sun is so cute. And then some birds. And then the sticker, the icon cardstock stickers, which is adorable. Some old school Doodlebug stickers. And then this is the paper. Simply Spring. How cute. Oh wow, that's cute. Those are cute, right? The back part are just monochromatic. Oh my god, look how cute this is. Right? And then the back part is just like a rainbow ledger. I think this is one of my favorites. The cute sun with the dimples. Oh yes. Yes, thank you very much. And then this part. And then it has the clouds. So I think I'm going to use more of the clouds. And then this one is just pink with a little bit of white dots and the polka dots. So that's the Essentials kit. It has a few papers, the icons, this sticker, and then these. Therefore, that is why I got the double-sided, like this itself, the kit. Because it has this sticker sheet, and it has more paper. I'm still doing some more embellishments for my swap with my friend Chloe from Australia. So I'm still making stuff for that. So this is the front page. I'm glad I have 2 of this. Oh my goodness. Yes, I ordered extra of this. Jeez. It is absolutely adorable. For my sweet aunt. Oh gosh. Happy birthday. Snailed it. How cute. Hey lady. I got your back. Oh my god. This is super adorable. Yes, I got extra sheets of this. I got this maybe 1 or 2. But I think it's super worth it. Okay. And then, so I got 2 of that. And this is the back part. Which is too small to cut up. So maybe I'm not going to cut that up. And then the cute flyer bumblebee. And then that hive hexagony. And then classic Doodlebug. And this is the back part. So I like this part. And yes. Yes, I did get extra of that. Good job. I'm glad. This is super cute too. And then the rainbow. And then the back part is the gingham. This is absolutely super cute. Right there. Don't you just love Doodlebug? Like, how can you not be in love with all these colors? It's so inspiring. So cute. So adorable. Absolutely super cute colors that you can use for anything, not just spraying. It could be anything. And then all the Doodlebug collections match when it comes to the hue of the color, the shade. So it's absolutely perfect. Sorry, I still have allergies. But this one is the sticker, the this and that sticker. So it has some borders, some word labels, and then these. Super awesome. Social butterfly, how adorable. Okay, so that's with this. I did get quite a lot, did I? Okay, now I want to show you just a few sheets of Maggie Holmes that I got, because I have nothing of the Willow collection. So I thought I can cut this apart and add it to my Maggie stash. So I got 2 sheets of this to cut apart, and this is the back part. Okay, and then this one, super cute. And that's all I got from the Willow Lane collection. Next is some loose sheets. These are the loose sheets that I have. Okay, this one is from the summer collection for last year. I think it's Sweet Summer, or yeah, Sweet Summer. So I'm still playing with this. I'll show you what I have so far maybe in a different video, but I thought this is super cute. And then I absolutely adore this radio. And then the back part is just simply dots. And then this one is from Cartabella, called the Welcome Home collection. I wish Cartabella is available in Tuesday morning. That would be amazing, because Cartabella's quality, like the paper is so thick. So this is going to be cut up, and there's going to be foam dots in the back of this. That's for sure. And then next is so cute. This is from last year, I think, but I have these in my stash that I got. I don't know where I got it from, but I have that, and I thought it matched perfectly with this. So this is the odds and ends, and this is called So Much Pun. 113 die cut pieces. Oh, cute. Look at that llama. And then the gumball machine. Oh my gosh. So cute. And that cookie. Seriously. Look at that taco. How adorable. I mean, come on. Super, super cute. So this one. So sweet. I'm not sure if you guys want to see this, because this is from last year. I'm just going to go through it real quick, because this is not anything new. But this is a this and that sticker. Okay. And then this is Fontas Taco. How cute. Next is the candles. And then this is the back part. Oh my gosh. That is what I'm going to use. That's for sure. And this one is like the palm trees. And this is the back part for the dinosaurs. That's cute. This is right up my alley, because I'm a baker and a cake decorator too. This is right up my alley. Maybe I'm going to use this, make a traveler's notebook for some cake ideas. That'd be a good idea. This one is blue. And then, how cute. Look at the planets. They're adorable. And then I have this one, which is a cut apart sheet. And then I think I got 2 sheets of that. And this is the back part of that. We're almost done, guys. Thank you for your patience. This one is the back part. And this one is the other side, which is probably fast food themed. Almost done. This is a cut apart sheet. So you can see all the elements right there. The plants. So cute. And then this is the back part of it. And then last 3. This is the pill. How cute are the pills? They're all smiling. And they want to make you better. Oh my god, this Band-Aid is so cute. This would be so cute for work stuff. Because I work in a hospital. That would be perfect too. Next is just dots. And then the other side is a candy themed. Oh, cute. Last one. This one is like a dictionary-ish. And then this one is that part. What we saw in the first side. Anyway, thank you for your patience. Thank you for staying with me during my haul. I hope you liked it. Comment down below which one is your favorite of all the items. And I hope you have a wonderful crafty day. See you on my next video, guys. Bye!